Welcome back to Learn with Veena Iyer. Here we are with some more amazing facts. This time we are going to talk about animal facts. So let us start. So here we have an animal which is gorilla. So you all might know this animal. So let us see what is the fact. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illness. Now think about it. You know, 98% of DNAs of gorillas and humans are similar. So it means that even like us, they can also have illness. An example is human cold that we get every morning or during the winter seasons. Coming to the next one, it's a water deer. Now, a newborn Chinese water deer is so small that it can almost be held in the palm of a hand. Palm, this is the palm which can where we can hold this small water deer, newborn one. Coming to the have is an ostrich. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and male ostriches can roar like lions. Just think how loud the noise will be. Next is a lion. So, a lion is the wild, usually makes no more than 20 kills a year. That means in a year it's so lazy that it can make only 20 kills. So, think about twice a month. Coming to the next is about again a lion, but a female one. So, what is the fact here? The female lion does 90% of hunting. So, just think how lazy are the male lions. Again, females are hardworking. Next, coming to a dog. Now, it's surprising. The only dog that doesn't have a pink tongue is the chow. So, just notice whenever you see a dog, the tongue of the dog would be in pink color. But see, this dog, chow, here it has a gray color tongue. Fact is water animals, aquatic animals. So here what is the fact? Turtles, water snakes, crocodiles, alligators, dolphins, whales and other water going creatures will drown. It will go deep inside the water if it is kept underwater for too long. Hence we could see dolphins coming up of the water above the water and just jumping and hopping here and there in frequent times. Even we could see some other wild turtles, even we could find it comes out of the sea and for hatches egg, and even it stays in the land for some time, then it goes back to water. Because like fishes, these water creatures, these aquatic animals can't stay under the water for long, hence they come outside for some time. Coming to the next fact about a pig. So almost half the pigs in the world are kept by farmers in China. It's okay. Coming to the next fact of animal kingdom, here is a dog. Now, what is it? On average, dogs have better eyesight than humans, although not as colorful. Hence, we see that dogs have a clear vision during the night time, which we cannot see. Coming to the next, again, we have a deer. So, deer have no gallbladders. Gallbladders. Coming to the next one, here's a spider. So there is an average of 50,000 spiders per acre in green areas. So just think how many spiders will we have if we'll count acre wise in the world. It's more than humans. Coming to next, snake. Snakes are carnivorous. Did you listen? Snakes are carnivorous. So whenever you come up to learning carnivorous, we often come up with names like tiger, lion. But did you all know that even snakes are carnivorous? Which means that they only eat animals, often small ones such as insects, birds, frogs and other small mammals. Next amazing fact of the animal kingdom here we have is moose. So now what is it? In Alaska, it is illegal, it is wrong to whisper, that is to make some sounds in someone's ear while they are moose hunting. Now next, it's a bat. Now what is it speaking about a bat? The bat is the only mammal that can fly. Yes, we usually see it flying over here and there at night. As flying in the sky. Next, again about a bat. It's a skeleton of a bat. Now, what is it speaking? The leg bones. These are the bones. So, the leg bones of a bat are so thin that no bat can walk. Like us, even they have legs, but they cannot walk because the bones are very, very thin. And next, it's a songbird. Some male songbirds sing more than 2,000 times each day. So just think how much time they're using for singing. Can we sing this much time? No, we cannot. It's impossible for us. But they do it for 2,000 times each day. That is a thank you for you all to watching the video. And please do like, share, subscribe, and